Hello everyone, loosen the ribbon on your ponytail a little bit down and move your ponytail 180 degrees to the right and have a beautiful hairpin attached on the right side, and comb your ponytail and have a ribbon touch the middle part of the tail and bend the tail down, stuff it to the last loop of the ribbon, stretch the middle one and move the lump inwards by dropping a little hairpin through it, stretch the bun for more volume. Hold your ponytail to the top and have a beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom of the ribbon and move to the top and secure there. With the remaining tail we have a ribbon touch the middle part of the tail and bend the tail down, stuff it to the last loop of the ribbon and stuff it inside the middle part, making it completely hidden, and stretch the middle one, making it as the more volumed one, and stuff the lump into the middle one and have it in place by dropping big black hairpin through it. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the ribbon, drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have as a ponytail, have a ribbon touch the middle part and stretch the middle one and stuff the tail into it, making as a bun, and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin through the ribbon, securing it on a twisted band. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the ribbon, drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have split them into 4 equal parts and have it braided. So it's an easy form of braid, just in 4 tails, that's it. So first cross the first 2 tails and continue crossing it so that the first tail goes to the 4th place and comes back to the 1st place. And secure the end with the ribbon, fold the braid and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin and stretch the braid out for more volume and dropping your favorite hairpin on top of that. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and create a gap underneath it using both of your thumbs and stuff the entire tail into it and loosen the ribbon a little bit down to make it easier and continue stuffing it with the excess tails we have it twisted and make it hidden by moving the hair against that. Then to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop in your favorite hair clutcher on top of the gap we created. Do have a lovely collection of hair clutches. Once again, go for a ponytail and straighten it down by using a bun maker and roll it and make it to the top and bend it down, forming a circle, and hide excess of bun maker by extending the hair over it. Then apply some hair serum onto your hair to make it more volume and to cover the split ends. Then to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop in your favorite hair bun on top of the bun we created. Go for a ponytail and with the last loop of the ribbon, create a lump at the bottom by bending the tail over and create a gap behind the ponytail using a finger and drop the entire lump into it and also the excess part of the tail into that as well. Then close it completely by moving the hair over that one. Then to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop in your favorite hair clutcher on top of the gap we created. Do have a lovely collection of hair clutches. Insert a very long bun maker behind your ponytail vertically and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden. Do the same until the bottom and secure the end with the ribbon. Then after that, roll the entire ponytail into a clockwise direction, making as a bun, and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to its side on its position. Go for a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and twist the entire ponytail and make it swirl in the anti-clockwise direction, and between each cycle, have the bun adjusted in shape by moving the hair onto that. Then secure with a lovely hair clutcher. Twist the entire hair against your index finger, making it as a lovely hair roll, and pinch out the hair a little bit to the top, making it as a little loop, dropping a beautiful hair clutcher around that. Thank you everyone for watching this video.